Stuck, graduate trapped. In your 20s, no direction. 30s, 40s, can't get going. 50s, 60s, undervalued, underpaid. 70s, 80s, disposable, dispensable. There's got to be more to life than this. If you look at any rich list, there's no one on there that's an employee. They all run their own businesses. But what sort of business? If you had $1 million, you could buy a franchise. But if you had $1 million, don't think we'd be having this conversation. Retail is the way to make a profit from day one. Buy things at wholesale price and sell them for a profit. And online is where the smart people are looking. So what's the opportunity? How does it work? What do I need to do? Like all great ideas, this business is simple. You show people your products, they order something, you make a profit. You can do this online or on social media. Or you can go offline and share around our professionally designed catalogues. Or you could do both. It's up to you. It's your business. So if you start now, your online shop with thousands of products will be up and running in a matter of minutes. You can take an order and make a profit straight away. Nice one, friend from school I never really spoke to. And your business will be backed by the UK's original home shopping company and by a global business powerhouse. Warehousing, staff, logistics, marketing, branding, product sourcing and buying all taken care of. And you can get started for less than the cost of a good night out. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with the person who showed you this video and start today.